Hi everyone, and welcome back to Module 4. It is time to complete activity number 2. So now we are going to start inputting our data. So what you are going to need for this activity is accessing your data, whether you use iReady, whichever benchmark system you utilize, please have that information handy. Now, depending on what month you are accessing this workshop, please fill in as much information as you have. So do you have September and January's? Do you just have September's scores? So you're going to want to input all of the names. Now, again, you can right click and insert a row if you need to add more names. You're going to notice too, my cells came back. So remember what I told you before, you're going to want to use the merge cells. So you're going to click on, you're going to highlight in blue the cells you want to merge. Okay, just like that. All right, so go in, add your names, add your scores, be as detailed as you can. For example, I explained that my students are assigned a number score, which then correlates to a grade level, which I also like to color code. Okay, so keep it as detailed as you can. I also want to show you, say maybe you have reading, math, and science diagnostic results, or you have a specific history test that you gave for benchmark. Whatever benchmarks you have, you're going to want to put all of the scores in this document. So if you need, for example, I only have two tables here, I can highlight, and you see it kind of turned a light blue here. I can highlight this whole area. I'm going to try that one more time and just include the heading. And it's control copy if you're using a PC like me. And then I can come down here. Okay, so I just added another table, which you have editing access to, and you can go in and change. Maybe it's not iReady. Maybe you don't want to use math. Maybe this is science diagnostic results. Okay, so go ahead, take your time. Have fun with the font and the size and the color scheme as well. And when you are done, please come back because we're gonna take this data and then we're gonna start creating groupings for your AIS Math, AIS, ELA sessions. So thank you very much. Happy organizing.